Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add a portfolio website to your LinkedIn profile. If you have a portfolio website, adding it to your LinkedIn profile is one of the smartest things you can do. It gives recruiters, clients, and connections a direct way to see your actual work instead of just reading about it. This can instantly make your profile stand out and feel more credible. Whether you're a designer, developer, or working in any field where showcasing your work matters, linking your portfolio properly can make a big difference. To begin, open your browser and go to LinkedIn. Log into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, click on your profile picture and select View Profile. On your profile page, look for the Add section button. Click on it. A menu will appear with different categories. From here, select Recommended. Under the Recommended section, click on Add Projects. Now you'll be taken to the Project Details form. Start by entering your project name. Make sure the title is clear and professional. Next, write a description. In this section, briefly explain what your portfolio includes, what skills or tools you used, what kind of work you showcase. Keep it concise but informative. After that, add a skill related to your project. Now look for the Media section. Click on Add Media and paste the link to your portfolio website. This is where your actual portfolio becomes accessible to viewers. You can also fill in additional details, such as start date, end date, or leave it ongoing if applicable. These details help give context to your project. Once everything is filled out, click Save. Your portfolio project will now appear on your profile under the Project section. Anyone visiting your profile can click on it and access your portfolio directly. Using LinkedIn this way allows you to showcase your work in a structured and professional format. To summarize, adding a portfolio website to LinkedIn involves going to your profile, clicking Add Profile section, selecting Recommended, choosing Add Projects, and filling in details like name, description, skills, and your portfolio link. This makes your work easily accessible to anyone viewing your profile. And that's how to add your portfolio website to your LinkedIn profile. It's a simple step, but it can completely change how people perceive your profile. Instead of just telling people what you can do, you're actually showing them, and that's what makes the biggest impact. As you continue building your career, make sure your portfolio stays updated and reflects your best work, because this is often the first impression people will have of you. You can also add multiple projects over time to highlight different skills and experiences, making your profile even stronger. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye!